This is the final video to fix the "are still watching" prompt on your YouTube TV, and I promise you can finally stop that annoying pop-up from interrupting your favorite shows right now. Are you tired of your screen freezing with that message every few hours when you just want to relax and watch your programs without touching the remote? This problem happens because your device tries to save data and energy by checking if you're still awake after a long time of inactivity. Most of the other videos you find on social media are way too long, or use confusing words that make the whole process feel much harder than it actually is. I have found 4 proven methods to fix this problem for good, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you even if your settings seem completely stuck or broken. You should pause this video right now to try these steps one by one, or take a few screenshots so you do not miss anything important while you work. I will not give away the secret settings or the names of these steps here, but they are the fastest ways to get back to your binge watching. Rexis is here to make sure your tech life stays simple and stress-free every single day. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly how to click through every menu, just leave a comment below right now.